The Chinese ambassador in Manila has on several occasions, and I heard him say this, no, he mentioned a so-called roadmap supposedly agreed upon by the Philippines and China to manage our differences and amid tensions sa WPS. Can you provide more details on this, Secretary, including when this understanding was reached and at what level?
Itong roadmap na ito ay pinopose ng Chinese ambassador, ito ay pinag-uusapan pa lang. So, it's in the process of discussion. So, at kung meron man talagang napag-usapan na pinal, of course, this is subject to certain diplomatic nuances. Pero as of now, hindi ko masasabi ko na hindi pa to continuous pa rin ang pag-uusap tungkol dito sa roadmap na to.
Pero in essence, what's that roadmap about?
Itong roadmap naman na sinasabi ng Chinese ambassador is a bilateral basis. So siguro ito yung pagbabalik namin sa usapan, may bilateral mechanism tayo on the South China Sea, at marami pang mga steps na para maibalik yung dating mga ginagawa. So wala pa tayo doon, hindi pa natin na-finalize yan.
Yeah, are we expecting, Secretary, the next round of BCM in Beijing anytime soon?
Hopefully.